Okay, bongga, no? Parang akong Wonder Girl. Oh, Wonder of the World.
Do you related?
Uy, Korean yan, ah. Do you know the Wonder Girl, di ba? It's number one in Korea.
Yeah.
That's why we love Korean here in the Philippines.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Ang galing. Uy, mag-Chinese ka naman kasi marami tayong bisita yun. May Chinese, may Japanese, puro sa Korea. Japanese.
Pambaway, this kayo man sa nakakadema pampay, sigo to boy.
Chinese.
King Chang, Chao King Chang Kong bago ang niya, Kalsing bangal.
Our friend Korean, represent. Parang hindi naman, niloloko mo yata ako. Ganun ba talaga? Ayun, ano ba talaga yun?
Ay, ako na Korean.
Okay.
Jumong ni, wang jinine, bagoy na palas ni.
Di ba?
Nagsine.
Naintindihan mo yan? Do you understand English?
No, you're Bobo.
You're beautiful. Huwag mo i-translate yun, ate. I-translate. Siyempre. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Kamukha talaga siya ng Wonder Girl. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. But I get very beautiful more than you. Right? Ay, parang ano ba yun? Tingnan mo ngayon.
How about Texas? Howdy!
Yes?
Texas!
From Texas. You're from Texas. Yes. Hello to our friend from Texas. Yes, yes. We speak Texas.
Texas fried chicken. Hey, what's your name? Can you know your name?
Be still!
Nano.
Not that bell! Not that bell! Be still!
Oh my God. You know what? You're British now. Yeah. Yeah.
Howdy!
Here.
Howdy! Howdy!
Yeah. Texas. Airport. Airplane. Airport. Philippines. When did you arrive, sir? When did you arrive? When? Wait.
Just wait, first time!
Wow, it's first time. Grabe na tayo Parang hindi Hi, sir. How do you find the place? Did you find it? By airplane or sailboat? Okay.
You know what, sir? I'm very glad to have you here. It's your first time here?
Yes!
Do you believe?
I'm a man! Like you!
Me?
I'm a man like you!
No, I'm not a man. I'm monster.
Hindi siya makasagot ka agad kasi wala siyang daw, di makatext pa.
Oo, may mga sabi. Hindi mo na sa akin.
Welcome to the Philippines and welcome to